guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BerryFae. In today's vlog, we are going to be a vendor at Sis Your Brokenness is Showing conference that my sister Judy is hosting. I am on the way to go set up, so let's go. Let's just show what's happening. 2 hands.
She vlogging from the 8?
Yes, girl. Okay, so now you're going to show everything you see on the table like this. Okay, there we go.
Both 8.
And you move it slow, okay? Period. Okay. Good job. So you see what you're doing? You see it?
Is this your first time vending, Faye?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh!
Oh,
I was gonna try for those. He ate.
ha!
Chad said he needs to see that check.
Don't play with me.
That YouTube check. You got an explanation? That's okay, rent. The YouTube check.
Okay, this way. Oh. Okay, ready? Thanks, girl.
Little dots to me.
So I'm zooming it in, and you just keep going over and over.
DVDs like these? Yeah.
And then you tell them, say hi to the camera. I'm dead.
Vlogger in the making, period.
Okay, now you're gonna turn over, and now we're gonna talk to the camera. Say what's up, world.
What's up, world?
What's going on?
Nana.
You funny, girl. Say I'm a vlogger now.
I'm well, how are you?
A vlogger means you're gonna record the videos. Okay?
Yeah,
let you.
Is it starting? That hurts.
All right, you keep working.
Another one.
You try to keep it straight like that, okay? All right, go ahead.
Sorry.
You gave them. No, we're good. I just need to. We're good.
That's what we do, baby.
Oh, that's cute. Oh my God. Okay, Jazzy, go to her and show what she's doing. Isn't it so cute?
Subscribe.
I love it.
Out here. Stop playing with me.
Period. I love that.
Vlogging.
Oh, give it to Touchy Fifi.
Still vlogging it.
Be careful. Don't do that. Just slow down.
Okay.
Thank you, Jazzy girl.
Vlogging. Period.
I want to make sure the legs are straight so it doesn't fall. Okay?
So cute.
Jazzy, period, okay?
Period.
You're so sweet. Alright. Alright, so this is all the products. Now, all of them are not on that. So, like I didn't put the mixing palette, but it's still on here. So, if they pick up that, then just know you have to go in there. That's the mixing palette. The highlighters, where did I put them? Oh, I need to put those out.
The highlighters?
Yeah, because they
The square ones, they down there. And you put those out. I just didn't put them on the chart, but they're on here too. And then there's a few lip liners, if they ask, but I don't have the
So
brown
be
ones.
this one?
Yeah, you can put a few of those out. I'll put them around here. So this is our product. So say somebody wants 2 lashes. Green is kiwi. Purple is grape. This is blueberry. No, we're not
God, I would have been like, yeah, next table. Yeah, it's the climb.
Huh?
I just created a little poodle.
A little what?
A little poodle.
A poodle. A poodle?
A little dog. Where you see a dog?
Where is the dog?
That's what you tried to make?
Girl,
You were so
this girl said she made a dog.
I'm like, where you see the dog? I still don't see it, bro.
What a dog?
Listen, don't do me like
If
that.
anything, it look like a.
This girl said I made a poodle.
It look like an inverted heart. That's it. But I don't
Okay, I
see a
see
dog.
it, but why? I see it, but why would you do that?
I don't know.
This girl is nuts.
You don't even
She is nuts, y'all. Good morning, y'all. So it is, wow, bright. Let me move back. Good morning, y'all. So it is day 2 of the women's conference, Saturday, March the 26th. Anyways, I'm on my way. Today's theme or attire is maxi dress. Yesterday was like black and pink or whatever, or black and jeans, whatever. So yeah, today is maxi dress. So I have on this dress. Y'all seen this dress before sometime last year. I think it's my 2nd time wearing it. So yeah, but we are about to head out right now and get to my booth, be my vendor self, and yeah, we're gonna have fun. I'm gonna vlog a little bit more now. Yesterday I was just like setting up and stuff, so I didn't really have the time to vlog, but today I'm gonna be vlogging some of the speakers, some of the worship, stuff like that, so you guys could see a little bit behind the scenes of what's happening in my life. So let's go.
I usually do, so that way I don't know how to put them on, so that way I just wake up in the morning, I wash around my face. But they came off last night, and I'm like, whatever.
You got your own?
It's fine, you can use that.
What's that?
I don't know this.
The forgiver of our sins.
You like it?
The Messiah.
Use that one. It kind of made my eye water.
Almighty God.